Okay, we're back. Today we're going to discuss what is flood or baha. Okay, in our introduction, floods are the most common destructive of all natural calamities. It is the condition that occurs when water overflows. The natural or artificial confines of a stream of or body of water, or when runoff from heavy rainfall accumulates over the low-lying areas. Have you identified the low-lying areas in our place? Okay, in Laguna, in our area, in our district, we can see Santa Rosa is one. No, it is a catch basin place. No, pag umulan, makikita natin sigurado baha. So, in this topic, we're going to discuss protective measures before the flood, after the flood, or during the flood, and after the flood. Some tips, no? How we are going to address this flood. Kasi hindi natin maiwasan eh. So, building a structure in floodplain should be avoided unless there will be provisions for reinforcement and elevations. Now, this is a before the flood. Bago pa dumating ang baha in our area. Alam naman natin dito, bahain, no? So we have things to prepare, no? Or measures to do, okay, before the flood. So building structures in a flood plain areas should be avoided, no? Halimbawa, you're going to Manila. Alam natin na tag-ulan at sa Manila ay bumabaha at doon ang buhos ng ulan. Do you think na ikaw ay tutuloy pa doon? No way, di ba? Kasi alam naman natin na masisira din ang ating sasakyan. So let's avoid that. In order to stop flood, okay, water from entering the building in our area, in our place, construct barriers. So, kung alam natin na ang place natin ay talagang bahain, magkaroon tayo ng tinatawag na levees, beams, flood walls, or harang, harang kung ang area natin ay talagang bahain. Talagang dapat magkaroon tayo ng mga harang. To prevent flood waters from backing up into the drains of your home, no? Check valves which should be installed in sewer troughs. So, kasi ang tubig, naghahanap yan ng pagpupuntahan. So, we have to check even our faucets, yung mga tubo, check valves, etc. No? At sigurado, papasukin yan ng tubig baha. And of course, to avoid seepage, build seal walls in basement with waterproofing compound. If you have a basement, so, talagang papasukin yan. So what we're going to do is to sabi nga to what is seepage? Yung leak, no, na kung saan papasok. We have to maglagay tayo ng mga sealant, no. Ang bagyo kasi meron tinatawag na malakas na hangin yan, tapos merong rain pa. So we don't know the direction. At alam natin ang bintana natin ay bukas. So ano gagawin natin? Tatapan natin, sasaraduhin. Something like that. Okay? At lagyan natin ng sealant ng yung mga windows natin na merong let's say salamin. Okay, elevate the furnace, water heater and electric panel. Okay, sana all may water heater, no? At merong tinatawag na electric panel. Ay yan kasi susceptible yan sa flooding at magkakos yan ng pagkasira ng ating mga furniture, ng water heater, yung mga furnace na yan ay kailangan itaas daw natin. Okay, so this is the preparation before the flood. Now let's go to the during. Okay, umulan na. So what shall we do? If your area is flooded, no, the following are advices. Okay, one, equip yourself with information by listening to the radio or by watching television, even in the social media. Actually, before the flood, no, before the thunderstorm, we have to connect, no, doon sa mga social media, radio, so or TV, lagi tayong nanonood at nakikinig. Okay? Now, awareness on the occurrences or occurrence of flash flood, no, is important. Mahalaga yon na may mga, kasi, what is flash flood? Ang flash flood talagang, pag matinding buhos ng ulan, naiipon yan sa isang, let's say, dam or sa, may nag-ano pa dyan eh. Pag yan ay bumigay, talagang mabubuksan yung parang dam na yan, ay tuloy-tuloy, no? Yan yung tinatawag na flash flood, no? Actually, merong siyang daanan kung sa dam yan. Eh, paano kung yung mga nasa bundok, no? Sa area na talagang matindi at nag-overflow. Here in Laguna, no, in particular in Calamba, we have many rivers like San Juan River. So, makita natin na ito ay umaapaw, no? Sorry. Awareness of streams, drainage, channels, canyons, and other areas known to flood should be taken into consideration, no? Siyempre, habang merong flood, ay titingnan natin lalo na yung drainage natin, no? Yung daanan, yung river and etc. Dapat yan ay malinis at yun, titingnan natin yan. So now, usually sa mga mababang lugar ay mayroon tinatawag na, lalo na sa tabi ng ilog, ay talagang ini-evacuate sila. So, sino ba dapat ang i-evacuate? So, bago tayo, let's say tayong place, tayo yung mga nasa evacuation, i-evacuate doon sa mataas na lugar, we have to secure our home first, no? Tingnan natin, nakalock, nakaayos, etc. Paano natin masisecure? Utilities at the main switches, no, or valves, no, sa water should be turned off or turned off if infrastructure to do so. Electrical appliances should be disconnected. So bago tayo malis doon, alisin kagad kasi maaring masira talaga ang ating mga appliances, no, at mag-cause pa ito ng sunog. If you are wet, no, nakatayo sa or standing in water, there is a possibility na magkaroon ng tinatawag na electric shock or pwedeng makuryente. So even our equipment, no, ay sabi rito, huwag nating subukan i-touch, lalo na mga nakakonect ito sa outlet. So there are tips for evacuation. Okay, walking through moving water should be avoided. Yung malalakas na ragasan ng di natin alam kung gaano kalalim yung mga ragasan ng tubig na yon. So should be avoided. Flooded areas should be avoided when driving. Kung may sasakyan tayo, pag medyo mataas na ang tubig, ay stop na lang, no? Kasi there is a tendency na yung dinadaanan ng tubig ay bumigay, no? At maaaring ang sasakyan ay mapasama. If the water is already 6 inches, it will already reach the bottom of your car, can cause loss of control and possibly stalling. So, mangyayari na ang ating sasakyan ay maaaring masira or mawala ng brake o preno. Okay, we've done with before, during, now, after a flood, pagkatapos ng baha. Of course, usually pag sa bahay natin ay puno ng tubig, ano madadatnan natin dyan after a flood? Putik, di ba? So first of all, we have to listen to the news reports for you to be able to know the water supply, no? Ito ba is safe to drink, no? Makinig tayo. Pangalawa, water may be contaminated by oil, gasoline, or raw sewages. Marami kasi lalo na mga iniinom natin ay halo-halo eh. Makikita natin way back in 2009, nagkaroon ng matinding baha sa Marikina, Bagyong Ondoy. Talagang makikita na, kasi pumunta kami ron just to rescue a friend na nasa tuktok ng bahay, no, for 24 hours na tuloy-tuloy na rain, di nila alam hanggang lakpas lakpas bahay. Then after that, yung kanilang hayop, yung mga aso and everything, nagkamatayan. So ito yung tinatawag nating mga contamination. Yung mga iniinom talagang wag basta-basta. Okay? And moving water should be avoided. Stay away from down power lines and report to the power company, no? Umalis tayo sa mga may kuryenteng lugar. If the building is surrounded by flood waters, move and stay out immediately. Okay? And be aware of areas where the flood waters have receded. Okay? Roads may have weakened, brought by floods and could collapse under the weight of a car. So, yun, pagiging maingat lang. Then, of course, return home only when authorities declare it is safe. No? Pag sinabi ng authority na you may go home, then go. Okay? Immediately repair damage, septic tanks. No? Pag nakita natin, maring nasisira yan, yung, lalo na yung mga septic tanks na yan. Sewage system which are damaged are serious health hazards. Kasi naghalo-halo na yan lalo na pag pumasok ang tubig. When entering a building, use extreme caution, no? Since there may be hidden damage, particularly in foundation of our structure, our building, no? Maaring bumagsak yan because of continuous rains. Everything that got wet should be cleaned and disinfected. Mud left from the floodwaters can contain sewage chemicals. Absolutely, talaga meron tinatawag na chemicals na yan, lalo na ang mga dumi at ihi ng mga daga. Yan, magkakos yan ng ating problema sa ating health. Okay, that's it, and thank you very much for listening. Okay.